Hey everyone, it's MassTK. I'm showing a review of Big Button Box Pro version. It's a very simple app. There's a lot of I don't know what to call it, but sounds or I don't know. Yeah, you know what I mean. Like this one. You can always switch page. You have 9 pages. When you switch page, it's a little bit difficult because you can always accidentally click on one of them. So, as you can see. So let's try this one. They're very good, but not always so realistic. It's very hard, sorry. So if you want to spend $1 on this app, you go ahead. I don't recommend it, but it's your choice. So thanks for watching.